northern Kenya lies Kakamega Forest, one of the last remnants of the great Guinea-Congolian rainforest.
We are here at Kakamega Forest, and it is a program between partnership of Kenya Forest Service and KVSO. We are addressing matters of culture and environmental conservation.
This majestic ecosystem is not only a haven for biodiversity, but also a lifeline for the local community.
In Western, most of the conservation areas are within the Kakamega Forest block and Mount Elgon ecosystem. Kakamega specifically is a unique forest. This is because of its value.
As the volunteers stepped into the forest, they were greeted by the warm embrace of nature, the rich traditions of the Kakamega people.
It is a unique forest in the sense that it has very unique tree species, unique animals, unique birds that exist here, and has a very big potential for ecotourism.
The forest, more than just a collection of trees, is a source of life. It supports the livelihoods of many, including the beekeepers who have practiced their crafts for generations. The Muliru Farmers Group is among the many who have founded sustenance within these ancient woods. With reverence for the knowledge passed down through the ages, they have mastered the art of beekeeping and traditional medicine. One of the highlights of the visit was witnessing the intricate process of extracting essential oil from mwonyi. The aroma of the oil, distilled through a meticulous process, filled with the air, a testament to the forest's hidden treasures. The volunteers were treated to the rhythmic beats of the Isukuti drums, their hearts sinking with the vibrant dance and the celebrates life and heritage.
Today here, on matters of culture, we are at Kakamega Forest to improve to see Isukuti, which is the community surrounding, the cultural activity of the community surrounding the forest, to partner with the community and the KVSO in ensuring we improve Kakamega Forest.
Of the day peaked with the spectacle of bullfighting, a traditional sport that draws crowds from near and far, a symbol of strength and endurance, much like the forest itself. The journey through Kakamega was not only a discovery of nature, but also a history. The volunteers ventured to the Wanga Kingdom, the seat of once Kenya's most storied monarchies. Here, they had the privilege of meeting the king and delving into the rich history that shaped the regions for centuries. The Wanga Kingdom, with its deep-rooted traditions, stand as a guardian of culture. Much like the forest, guards the secrets of nature. The journey took the volunteers to Busia County, where they were welcomed by the vibrant Marachi dancers. Their performance was a celebration of unity, a fitting end to a journey that had abridged nature of culture and community. Through their dance, the volunteers felt the pulse of the land, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. As the sun set on their journey, the KVSO volunteers carried them not just memories, but a deep appreciation for the Kakamega Forest and the people who called it home. This is the legacy of Kakamega, a legacy that lives on through those who protect it, cherish it, and draw life from its depth.